Hi guys, welcome to Animals and Pets with Partha YouTube channel. Hope you guys like this video. If you really like this video, don't forget to give thumbs up and share this video. And if you want more updates regarding the animals and pet related activities, try to subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. To introduce about myself, I'm Sugarnesh, obedience dog trainer from Chennai, Tamil Nadu.
Good morning, hello and welcome all of you to our YouTube channel Animals and Pets with Partho. Today I introduce you to Mr. Sugarnesh from Tamil Nadu, a young man, an upcoming trainer, and now has been involved with the Indian Kennel League as their obedience judge and nodal head of Tamil Nadu. All these years, a syndicate deprived all the young people of the Indian dog world to be a part of the mainstream dog game.
I've been training dogs since 2015 and also participating in obedience trials with my dogs. I have titled two of my trained dogs, Golden Retriever and Labrador, in C7 companion dog title, and also my Labrador won in C6 champion class under three different judges in the obedience trial.
They have been deprived of becoming members. They have been deprived on being a part of any activities that would actually allow them to fulfill their dreams. It is very heartening to know that the registered kennel clubs around the country who are now trying to cater for the needs of the dog-loving fraternity of this country have come up and giving opportunities to these young people to fulfill their dreams. I know there are numerous, hundreds, maybe thousands who would be coming out and being a part of all these organizations and making and enriching them with their knowledge and their dedication and involvement.
And to say more about our club, in Chennai we have a dog training club named Sugu's Dog Artistry SDA. In our club we train dogs for obedience competition, and also every weekend we have a group session for a pet dog owners, where we'll educate the pet owners to understand their dog behavior and how to control the behavior and how to make their dog to be very obedient and try to avoid the problems which they are facing with their dog. See, as a dog trainer and in our club, we help the pet parents and the pet dogs to have a peaceful mind in having a dog in their home. And also we'll encourage the youngsters and dog sports enthusiasts to participate in dog training competition.
I wish all of them a lot of success, and to Mr. Sugarnesh, whom I've seen is an amazing trainer. I am sure his institute in Tamil Nadu will be a path reckoner for people to follow. With this, I say, I allow you now to have a look at Mr. Sugarnesh's video about his institute and a bit of what he has to say about himself and his involvement in the dog world. Thank you.
and also we train dogs for personal protection. And we are planning to enter into the protection sports. I take this as an opportunity to thank my mentor Abhijit Chitni sir, who molded me to be a successful obedience dog trainer, and he helped me to understand the dog training concepts. First, I want to thank Mr. Suryakant Rai, the founder of Indian Kennel League, for giving me this opportunity to develop the dog sport in Tamil Nadu. This Indian Kennel League has been established with the great effort of Mr. Suryakant Rai, and the same has been recognizing talents and forming the IKL club in the respective states. Those who are interested in dog sports and really want to be a part of our IKL family, please do contact us through Facebook and Instagram. We are very open and happy to invite new people to our IKL family.